Hello, spicy food lovers. Listen up, my friends, instant ramen. It's the ultimate quick fix, a go-to for students and late-night cravings. Everyone's got their favorite, from chicken flavor to those shrimp-flavored delicacies. But let's be honest, the standard fare is possibly preferable than a boiled potato. That's why today, we're cranking up the heat. We're diving into the top 5 spicy ramen recipes that are a must-try. These recipes will transform your regular noodles into fiery bowls of pure satisfaction. We're talking flavor explosions that will leave you sweating and begging for more. So, grab your ingredients, put on your game face, and get ready to take on the heat. Number 1. The soul of Korean spice. First up, we're hitting up Korea, the land of kimchi and gochujang. This ain't your average spice rack, folks. We're dealing with fiery fermented flavors that'll blow your socks off. Forget those regular chili flakes you sprinkle on pizza. We're talking real deal gochujang, a Korean chili paste that's got more flavor than your entire spice cabinet combined. And don't even get me started on kimchi. That fiery fermented cabbage is the backbone of Korean cuisine, adding a tangy, spicy kick that'll wake up your taste buds. Get ready to experience the soul of Korean spice because this ramen is not for the faint of heart. Number 2, East meets heat. Next up, we're taking a trip to Japan, the land of the rising sun, for a fiery fusion dish that'll knock your socks off. We're talking spicy miso ramen, a bowl of pure umami goodness with a fiery twist. You might think you know miso from those regular soups you get at takeaway joints, but let me tell you, this is a whole different ball game. We're talking deep, savory flavors from fermented soybeans, blended with the intense heat of chili peppers. It's a match made in culinary heaven, and believe me, your taste buds will be singing its praises. Get ready to experience the perfect harmony of East meets heat, because this ramen is a flavor bomb waiting to explode. Number 3. The devil's pepper. Listen up, my friends. Today we're diving into the fiery depths of culinary fireball. This is no ordinary bowl of instant noodles. We're stepping into the grand inferno with the Ghost Pepper Ramen Challenge. This isn't just about eating, it's about survival, about proving your mettle against one of nature's most potent creations. You think you can handle the heat? Think again. This isn't your average spicy dish, this is a test of endurance, a battle between you and the devil's own pepper. This fiery beast, straight from Eye of Fire Vortex, is not for the faint of heart. It's a challenge that will push you to your limits and beyond. We're talking about the butjolokia, the ghost pepper, one of the hottest chilies known to humankind. This little devil packs a punch that can bring even the bravest to their knees. This isn't some amateur cooking show, this is a full-blown assault on your taste buds. The chefs here are not just cooking, they're crafting a dish that will test the very limits of human endurance. We're going to tame this beast and create a symphony of flavor. But first, we need to respect the raw power of this chili. Handling it with care is paramount. One wrong move and you could be in a world of pain. One wrong move and you'll be crying for your mommy. The heat is not just a sensation, it's an experience that will leave a lasting impression. Remember those folks who thought they could handle the spice challenge on Hell's Kitchen? They underestimated the power of the ghost pepper and paid the price. They ended up sweating and whimpering like little babies. The ghost pepper is not something to be taken lightly, it demands respect and caution. We're not messing around here, this is serious business, and only the bravest and most determined will come out on top. This pepper will make you sweat, it might even make you cry, but trust me, the flavor payoff is worth the pain. The intense heat is balanced by a unique, smoky flavor that is truly unforgettable. This is a challenge for those who truly live for spice, those who laugh in the face of danger. It's not just about the heat. It's about the thrill, the adrenaline rush that comes with pushing your limits. Are you ready to face the heat? Do you have what it takes to conquer the ghost pepper and emerge victorious? Can your palate handle the intensity of the ghost pepper? This is not just a test of your taste buds, but a test of your willpower and determination. Let's find out, shall we? Step up to the plate and take on the devil's pepper. This is your moment to shine, to prove that you can handle the heat and come out on top. Are you ready for the challenge? Let's do this. Number 4, a symphony of Thai flavors. Listen up, my friends. We're about to embark on a culinary adventure that will take your taste buds on a wild ride. This isn't just any ordinary cooking session, this is a journey into the heart of Thai cuisine, where flavors are bold, vibrant, and unapologetically intense. We're about to take a trip to Thailand, but not for a relaxing holiday. No, we're diving headfirst into the bustling streets, the aromatic markets, and the sizzling street food stalls to uncover the secrets of Thai cooking. This is where the magic happens, where every ingredient tells a story, and every dish is a symphony of flavors. We're here to infuse some fiery Thai flavors into our ramen and create a dish that'll blow your mind. Imagine the perfect bowl of ramen, but with an electrifying twist. The heat, the tang, the aromatic herbs, all coming together to create an unforgettable experience. Tom Yum is a classic Thai soup known for its hot, sour, and aromatic flavors, and we're going to harness that power in our ramen bowl. This isn't just about making soup, it's about creating a masterpiece that pays homage to the rich culinary traditions of Thailand. First things first, grab your ingredients. These aren't just any ingredients, these are the building blocks of flavor, the essential elements that will transform your dish from ordinary to extraordinary. We need lemongrass, galangal, kaffir lime leaves, chilies, fish sauce, and lime juice. Each of these ingredients brings something unique to the table. The citrusy brightness of lemongrass, the earthy warmth of galangal, the fragrant aroma of kaffir lime leaves, the fiery kick of chilies, the umami depth of fish sauce, and the zesty tang of lime juice. These ingredients are the backbone of Tom Yum, and they'll add a depth of flavor that'll make your taste buds sing. It's like composing a symphony. Each note, each ingredient plays a crucial role in creating a harmonious and unforgettable dish. Don't even think about substituting these ingredients. Authenticity is key here. If you want to experience the true essence of Thai cuisine, you need to use the real deal. No shortcuts, no compromises. We're not here to play it safe. We're here to create a culinary masterpiece. Now let's talk chilies. These little firecrackers are the heart and soul of Thai cooking. They bring the heat, the intensity, and the excitement to the dish. Thai chilies are known for their heat, so adjust the amount according to your spice tolerance. Whether you like it mild or you crave the burn, there's a perfect level of heat for everyone. Just remember, the more chilies you add, the more explosive the flavors will be. If you're shy of spices and you can't handle the heat, then stick to your chicken noodle soup. This dish is for the brave, the adventurous, the ones who aren't afraid to push their limits and embrace the fire. For those who dare to conquer the fire, add a few extra chilies and let the flavors explode in your mouth. It's a thrilling experience, a dance of heat and flavor that will leave you craving more. Remember, we're not just throwing ingredients together, we're building layers of flavor. Each step, each addition is carefully crafted to create a complex and harmonious dish. It's like painting a masterpiece. Every brushstroke, every ingredient adds depth and dimension. Start with a good quality chicken or vegetable stock, then add the aromatics, lemongrass, galangal, and kaffir lime leaves. These ingredients will infuse the stock with their vibrant flavors, creating a rich and aromatic base that will elevate your ramen to new heights. Simmer it all together to let those flavors meld and create a base that'll make you weak at the knees. This is where the magic happens, where the ingredients come together to create something truly extraordinary. The aroma, the flavor, the intensity, it's all there waiting to be unleashed in your bowl of ramen. Now let's talk about the finishing touches. Fresh herbs like cilantro and Thai basil will add a burst of freshness and a pop of color to your dish. Chop them finely and sprinkle them generously over your ramen. A squeeze of lime will bring a zesty brightness that cuts through the richness of the broth, balancing the flavors perfectly. It's the final touch, the cherry on top, that will make your dish sing. And there you have it. A bowl of Tom Yum ramen that is bursting with flavor, heat, and excitement. Each bite is a journey, a symphony of Thai flavors that will leave you craving more. So gather your friends, set the table, and get ready to impress. This isn't just a meal, it's an experience, a celebration of the bold and vibrant flavors of Thailand. Enjoy every bite, and let the flavors transport you to the bustling streets and aromatic markets of Thailand. Number 5, Scandinavian spice. Alright, we're about to dive into the world of seriously spicy ramen, and this time, it's coming from an unexpected place, from Korea to Denmark. You might think of pastries and hygge when you think of Denmark, but they've got a fiery side too, originally from Korea, and it comes in the form of extremely spicy Korean instant noodles. Recently, there was news of a popular Korean instant noodle brand being recalled in Denmark because it was deemed too spicy. Too spicy? That's like saying the sun is too bright. We're not ones to back down from a challenge, so we're going to recreate that fiery Danish experience with our own extreme spicy ramen. Well, there you have it. We've taken you on a fiery journey through the world of spicy ramen, and what a ride it has been. 5 incredible spicy ramen recipes that'll set your taste buds on fire. Each one more tantalizing than the last, designed to challenge your palate and ignite your senses. From the fragrant and flavorful Thai Tom Yum ramen with its perfect balance of sour and spicy notes, to the fiery inferno of the Korean spicy noodles, which are extremely spicy ramen that they got noticed in Denmark, which is not for the faint-hearted. We've covered it all. Each recipe brings a unique twist, showcasing the versatility and global appeal of ramen. We've explored different cultures, experimented with bold flavors, and pushed the boundaries of what ramen can be. The journey has been as much about discovery as it has been about taste. Now it's your turn to take the reins. Get in the kitchen, get creative, and don't be afraid to experiment. The beauty of cooking lies in its endless possibilities. Mix and match ingredients, try out new techniques, and most importantly, have fun with it. Remember, cooking is about passion, creativity, and a little bit of sweat. It's about pouring your heart into every dish and letting your personality shine through your food. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. They often lead to the most delicious discoveries. So put on your aprons, grab your chopsticks, and get ready for a culinary adventure. Each bowl of ramen you create is a new story waiting to be told, a new experience waiting to be savored. And don't be afraid to crank up the heat. Spice is the soul of these recipes, and a little extra kick can elevate your dish to new heights. Stay spicy and keep experimenting with flavors. The world of ramen is vast and full of surprises, and there's always something new to discover. Until next time, keep those taste buds tingling and your kitchen filled with the aroma of delicious spicy ramen. For more amazing food and drinks tips and recipes, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Tell us about your thoughts in the comment section. Check out our other videos for more culinary inspiration. We love you. Until next time, keep cooking, stay adventurous.